Hi, how are you? It's Dr. Muso. Today we want to talk about the history of China. Remember the time of Mao Zedong during the time of the Chinese Revolution. Here is our question. State any five leaders who ruled China from 1900 to 1949. Who were the rulers, the leaders who were in China from this period 1900 to 1949? Number one, we've got Sun Yat-sen. Sun Yat-sen is Sun Yat-sen. So Sun Yat-sen was one of the rulers. We also have got Shang Xingkai. Shang Xingkai. I'm a Chinese today. Shang King Shai. We also have got Li Zhongrang. Li Zhongrang was also another leader in China. We also have got Chiang Kai-shek. Chiang Kai-shek, again, a leader in China. We also have got Mao Zedong. We are so popular, we are so familiar with this man, Mao Zedong or Mao Zedong. So these were the leaders who were in China during the period 1900 to 1949. Number B, describe any 6 problems faced by the communists during the Long March of 1934. What were the problems that were faced by the communists during the Long March of 1934? So we want to look on the problems that they faced. Many communists died because of raids by Xinjiang forces. Many communists, many people who belong to communism, they died during this particular period of time. They also did not have superior firearms. They also did not have superior weapons to face the forces that they were fighting with, and by so doing now they were defeated. Inferior weapons, explaining why they were defeated, why they were unsuccessful. The Red Army, it crossed 24 rivers, 1, 2, 3, up to 24. It was not easy crossing 24 rivers, and they climbed 18 mountain ranges. So we've got 24 rivers, 18 mountain ranges. That was not easy. So that on its own clearly shows that they were having serious problems. They also passed through snow. In some instances, it was raining, and in some instances, we see that the area had hailstorms. So by so doing now, they were facing severe, serious challenges. They also crossed the Marshall Land, which had huge, like a great sea. It was not easy to cross the Marshall Land, which was as huge as the Great Sea. The troops had nothing to eat during this particular period of time. They did not have adequate food. So that on its own, it crippled them. It led them to be discouraged. Why? It is because they were not having enough food. In some instances, it is said that they ate leather belts. You can imagine eating your belt during this particular period of time when vegetables got finished. So we see that they were facing serious, severe shortages of food. They also roasted shoes when food ran out. Roasting shoes so that they could have something to eat. So clearly revealing, clearly showing that these people, they faced severe challenges during this particular period of time. So that is what we have on the leaders in China, and also the problems that were faced by the communists during this particular period of time. Thank you so much. It's Dr. Muso.